Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Dell laptop audio driver on Windows 11. Open any browser. Type Dell driver in browser search bar. Click Drivers and Downloads. Click Browse all products. Select Computers. Click Laptops. Select your product. Select your operating system. Click Show All. Select Realtek High Definition Audio Driver, click Download. Click Finish to restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.